Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Sorry about the poor lighting, but I pulled Thunder in to get him out of the elements. I finished up his reins. I took a leather belt and I took the advice of Ken from the Redneck Connection and used a belt for his reins because you should have leather as reins and rope as the halter. So anyway, I did that, and for whatever reason, I had these brass decorative nails, and I pulled this nail out and then put these right up there. Told those I didn't want to join them because I didn't want to create any situation where he could get hung up or hang his neck in. And I painted the seat, and just for clarification, I was doing blacksmithing work on these hooves. I was not doing his nails, I was doing blacksmithing work. But I looked up under here, there are screws up under, and he even the guy who made this, put covers on it. And I've got the mane and stuff as clean as I'm gonna be able to get it, but I'm kind of happy with it. I had a little bleed through there. I'm gonna work on that, and there's a little bit of a niche right there I just noticed. But it'll be ready to go for Jackson. And matter of fact, I may carry it to his grandma's. Well, I'm going up there anyway. I'm doing work at his grandma's house, so I may carry it up there with me Monday and drop it off. And this thing, it'll hold up. This thing's very well made, and this guy put in a lot of time on this. And I was humbled to be able to come back and make some corrections for whoever did whatever after this guy had made this for him. I'm sure the family would want it. I'd have been more than happy to give it back to him if I could ever found him. But I don't even know where to begin on that. But the hobby horse project is completed, and oh, don't worry, I got more projects. Appreciate y'all stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.